My name is Divakar Khandelwal and I got recommended from 3A FSB Gandhinagar on 9th of December. I was an intern at SSB Shortshot and also working here as an educator. So today I am going to share my experience of my SSB.
We also have a great opportunity for students who are now going to 11th or 12th class next year. We have something called the foundation course in which students can join us in 11th class or the 12th class. For the foundation course students, we have options of the CBSE board as well as the state board, and along with their school education, we also prepare them with evening classes for the NDA exam. Apart from that, they also get to live in a total army-focused environment in a 28-acre lush green campus with proper military obstacles, and you'll also get the support and guidance from senior military officers and experienced educators. So if any of the parents are watching this video and if you feel interested in this particular course, feel free to reach out to us. If you live in Bangalore or anywhere close by, you can also come over and visit our campus.
Good morning, my dear candidates. My name is Divakar Khandelwal and I got recommended from 3A FSB Gandhinagar on 9th of December. I was an intern at SSB Shortshot and also working here as an educator. So today I am going to share my experience of my SSB. The very first day of my SSB, it was a screening day. So I was confident about my screening. The picture given to us was a very simple picture and it was clear. So I made a good story and I narrated it well. So I was confident about that I am going to get screening. I was cleared for the stage 2 now, and then I directly went for the psych test. And then our psych test started. The DSO of 3FSB briefed us about each and everything. The one thing I did, I put my complete attention towards the briefing given by the DSO. So that briefing helped me a lot. He briefed each and everything, that how to write your TET stories, wet sentences, situation reaction test and SDT. So I was listening to him and I write accordingly what he said to us. So my psych test went good, but I was not confident. So I didn't pay any attention. I just thought that psych test is over. So now I cannot do anything of it. My next task is my interview and my GTO. So I will give my 100% towards those two tasks and I will not think what has happened till now. So then I proceeded towards my GTO task on the day 4th and day 5th. The day 2nd was completely empty and day 3rd I was having my interview. Timing for my interview was at 10 a.m. So I was waiting till 11 a.m. and then my interview started. So I entered the room with a confidence and then I saw two IOs in front of me. One was a lady officer and another was a male officer. So even after seeing the two IOs, I did not went nervous and I was confident that I have prepared, I have knowledge about myself, so I will give 100%. I will not worry about my results. I will give completely whatever I have inside me. So the interviewer started asking questions about my state, then he comes to my PIQ, then he asked me my hobbies, my daily routine, the questions on educational background and everything. Then he covers up the strength and weakness, my friends, my family members. And then the interview was over. But the second interview starting asking the questions on my job, my current profile, how do I am spending my salary and all, how I am managing my personal allowances and all. So I was confident of it. Then they asked me questions on the Air Force, Army and Navy, some equivalent ranks, some defense equipments, then S-400, Rafale, Sukhoi. So some questions I know and some I don't know, but I was confident that this will not affect my results. If I don't know about myself, that will surely gonna affect. So I was confident about my strength, weakness, hobbies, my daily routines, my friends, their weakness, my parents, their weakness. So I was able to answer each one of them. And at the last, my interview was over and it went approximately around 1 hour to 2 hours. So I was confident. The moment I came out of the interviewing room, the person waiting with my file, he said, your interview really went well. I asked him how. He said, you taken a very long time. It's approximately 1.5 hours. Then I was empty that day. Nothing, no task was given to us. Just had my lunch and slept. In the evenings, we played games, watched some songs. Because in Gandhinagar, 3FSB Gandhinagar, you are having a canteen where you are having a TV. So on the TV, we all were watching some songs, enjoying, talking to our family members and all. After that, the fourth day and fifth day, it was our GTO. The GTO day one went really well. Firstly, it started with the GD and everybody in my group performed really well. So I was confident that yes, everybody has done well. So each one of us are having a chances to get recommended. But the next task, that is GP. I was able to control the whole GP, whatever the plan I have written on my paper. I have narrated the same well, and that was decided as a group plan. So I was confident that yes, this GP will give me a plus point with other members. Next PGT, we all performed really well. Then half group task, again the group was divided into odds and evens. Then we performed our half group task. We only completed it in 5 minutes. After that, we are having our GOR. So group obstacle race, in some AFSBs you will be having GOR, in some AFSB you will not have GOR. So in my AFSB, Gandhinagar, we had our GOR, our group won, and then GTO asked why your group won. So the answer given by me was, our group was the shortest in number. We were only 7 in the group, while in other groups there are 8 members. So it was easy for us to complete our task in a shorter period of time. Then after GOR, we were having our lecturate, and at the time of lecturate, I was the last chess number of my group. So my topic was culture and tradition. I was speaking fluently. Then one of my friends sitting in the group, he just laughed and I also started laughing. So that moment I got nervous कि यार अब क्या होगा? How will I perform better now? But I still continued speaking something and something. Then the GTO rang the first bell. Then I again started summarizing my topic, and at the last of 3 minutes, I completed my topic and said thank you. And when I went back to my room, I was just thinking of that lecturate. Then I had a sleep, and after waking up, I thought, yeah, one task will not decide your recommendation, whether you are going to recommend or not. So I didn't pay attention on that, and the next day, we are having our command task, individual obstacles, and final group task. So each one of us performed well. My task was not much difficult. It was made difficult by my GTO. He started changing the colors of the obstacles, which in every candidate he did. So we all were happy that yes, we have given our best. Now we were not aware कि क्या होगा result. And on the same day, I was having my conference. कि भाई conference है. And I was the last chess number. My chess number was 47. We were total 65 who got screened in. So my chess number was the last one. And I was waiting for at least 15 minutes in the waiting hall. The moment they rang the bell, I just get inside, and the first question he asked me, Divagar, why should we recommend you? So then I thought, yeah, your result has been decided. So you don't have to worry, you just have to answer. He is asking me questions to give you marks in the conference. So I just simply said, sir, my courage, my confidence, and my teamwork, because these are the things required in the armed forces. He said, explain me with the example. So I gave one example for each one of them. Then he asked me, which branch have you opted for? Then I said, the flying branch. Then he asked me my favorite aircraft. He asked me some questions on Sukhoi Su-30 MK, because that was my favorite. And then he asked me that if you given the administration branch, what are the 3 changes you would like to bring into the administration branch? I thought for a minute, and then I said, sorry sir, I don't have any suggestions. He insisted me 2 to 3 times, and at last also I said, sorry sir, I am not the part of the administration branch, so I don't have any right, and I don't know a single thing about administration branch, so I cannot give any suggestion. After that he said, thank you, all the best for your results. Then we waited for the results, and then the DSO come with the file in his hand. He read only 2 chess number. The first is 15, second is 35. And I was like, he closed the file, and I was like blank. कि नहीं हुआ इस बार भी, चलो छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं. We'll try next time. But then in a serial number he said chess number 45, 46 and 47. And then that was the moment we all were happy. From a single group it was a hat-trick for the first time in the 3FS. Then our documentation was there, and we were allotted the dates for our CPSS. Those who were going for the flying branch, they were allotted a date of 17th December. CPSS was at Mysore, and I was able to clear my CPSS as well. 23rd January 2023, we were having our medicals, and I got completely fit for a flying branch. That's all about my journey. Now I will show you some clips, the ground where I have practiced my GTO. These are the GTO obstacles where I have practiced my GTO tasks. So you can see behind me, these are the PGT tasks, and there are the command tasks. So there are some students standing, asking their doubts, clearing their doubts by Colonel Sajeev sir and Colonel Dodamani sir. So we are here at the individual obstacles ground of SSB Short Academy. So guys, you can see behind me, these are the areas where I have practiced my individual obstacles. And this is the commando walk, then balancing beam is there, double barrel jump, rope climbing, double ditch, Burma bridge is there, tiger leap is there, Tarzan swing, then tire jumping, rope climbing, everything you will find at a very good place. And that is the SSB Short Shot Academy, and these are the grounds where I have practiced my individual obstacles. So guys, we are here at the GeoOrgon, that is the group obstacle race, or you call it as a snake race as well. So these are the ground where I have practiced my GOR. So I have practiced my GOR in this ground. You can see it behind me. And these are the obstacles which I have practiced multiple of times. So I was able to do all the obstacles within a given time. And because of that also, our group won. It was located at SSB Short Shot. It is a complete 28 acres campus where you can perform well, grow your personality to become a future officer. You must visit here. You can practice the GTO. It is a world-class GTO where you can practice your GTO task, PGT, individual obstacles, GOR. Also, along with all these things, you can attend the psychology classes by Miss Kavita Modi ma'am. She has a very good experience and given a lot of recommendations. So you will surely gonna learn a lot about SSB, and surely it will help you in your future. So gentlemen, I'd also like to add that I was an intern here. So along with the intern, I had many responsibilities which built my confidence and decreased my hesitation. I'd like to inform you that there are a lot of opportunities to be an intern in SSB Short Shot, and being an intern, you will not only get the opportunity to learn, but you will have the opportunity to attend the live classes by Major General VPS Bhakuni, psychology classes by Miss Kavita Modi ma'am, GTO classes by Colonel Sajeev sir and Colonel Dodamani sir. So all those classes really helped me, and you would be glad to know that in every month on the 1st, 11th and 21st, there are new batches coming every month. So you must join them. You will learn a lot about SSB Short Shot. You will learn a lot about what is asked what is required in the SSB. So that will surely gonna help you in your recommendations. Gentlemen, I was a part of a lot of PPDT sessions here that helped me in my screening. One thing I'd like to add is that the PPDT sessions attended by me here and the feedback given by the assessors of SSB Short Shot really helped me. They told me about my weak points, that which are the areas I need to improve. So I worked over them. I again participated in the PPDT sessions. Again and again, my weakness were improving day by day, and that finally helped me in my screening stage 1, and I got screened in. So that was the thing that given me the confidence in my screening. So the moment I was doing my screening test at the 3 FSB Gandhinagar, I was pretty sure that this time you will surely gonna make it because you have worked over your weakness. So one thing I'd like to suggest to each one of you, just have a introspection, self-introspection, so that you will know about your weakness and strengths, and then work over your weakness, and surely that path will bring you the recommendation in your life. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind.